Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to claim the adoption tax credit. If you haven't already completed filling out your personal information, employment income, and dependent profiles, make sure you do so before beginning this process. To claim the adoption tax credit you may have incurred to adopt a dependent, under Dependents, we want to click on Adoption Profile. For where it says, "Are you claiming adoption expenses?" you want to select Yes. Doing so will make a new subcategory appear under the adoption profile called Adoption Expenses. Clicking on this will take us to the Adoption Expenses page. Before we continue, it is important to note that for each dependent you can claim a maximum of $17,131. It's important to keep receipts for any expenses you plan to claim in case you need to refer to them later in the future. For this tutorial video, I have pre-filled and saved the form for our convenience. To claim adoption expenses, simply choose the dependent from the drop-down menu. If you have more than one dependent, you can add another adoption expense profile by clicking on the plus symbol, which generates a new tab with another form. Based on your situation, enter the numbers related to your expenses in the corresponding field. You may not have to use every field. As you can see when we go to the detailed tax return summary, under non-refundable tax credits there are adoption expenses listed with the amount of deduction calculated based on the information we have entered. This lets us know that the adoption tax credit has successfully been applied. You may now proceed to fill out the rest of the return as usual. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.